Thank you everyone for coming. Got a very nice day planned for everyone. Like I said before, we're not going to have you go home hungry, so. I really appreciate everyone's participation today.
It's a user conference, so we wanted to mix research lecture and workshops as well as information.
When Agilent decided to stop operating, they left everyone with no home to go to. There are some 5,500 Varian Agilent NMR spectrometers in use today. There is no longer a central support system. So what we're attempting to do, again, Ivan in conjunction with MR Resources is we want to create a single source solution, a number of very key items that have to be addressed, service and repair of the equipment, software support, application support, spare parts supply is absolutely key, and certainly ongoing training, restoring of quenched magnets, probe maintenance, probe repair. We're really the only company that has fully stepped up to the plate to try to fully encompass all of the issues and problems moving forward. Ivan operates for the benefit of owners and operators of Varian Agilent NMR systems. We're just very, very lucky to have literally a who's who from the industry. I've made a personal commitment that MR Resources is going to continue to provide 100% funding and support for this group.
We realize that there are lots of issues that people have. Maybe it's things they want to learn more about. Maybe they have an agenda to present to people.
I think all of us understand clearly the value of doing reaction monitoring by using an NMR system. The more we know about what happens in a reaction pod, the better we can control it. The more they understand and the better the control, the happier they're going to be.
Thank you for the invitation. My name is Yizhou Liu. I'm from the small molecule NMR group at Merck. The motivation behind our work was to address the ongoing issue of structural mistakes by NMR.
As a bit of introduction, I'm Joe Romaniuk. I'm from Lynette Zagorski's group up at Stanford, and we are studying the bacterium Staph aureus.
I've been the NMR software manager at Varian and Agilent for many years, and my last project at Agilent was to basically prepare OpenVNMRJ. And since this meeting is sort of meant to provide a mechanism for us to help each other, this seems like a good thing to have available to us if we need to advance NMR or fix things.
At the University of Oregon, we're actually have OpenVNMRJ in production running 3 different Varian spectrometers. OpenVNMRJ is kind of unique of having such a complex piece of software as open source and open to all sorts of possibilities. Looking forward beyond that, perhaps it could be used to run new hardware that hasn't been invented yet or built yet.
It's an incredible source of teaching tool, learning tool, and processing tool.
Thank you, John Webb, for hosting one more time. It is very much appreciated. And thank you, Ivan Committee. It's kind of nice to have a home after kind of wandering around the NMR wilderness.
Thank you for joining us. I just want to remind everyone we are having a very nice reception at the end of the meeting today up on the 10th floor of the hotel here. We're going to have a spectacular view of Monterey Bay. If anyone hasn't noticed, my intention was to make sure everyone's had enough to eat today.